Okay, we've got Citroën in today for a water leak procedure. So just to quickly go around the car. We've got obviously soft top roof. Going around the outside, everything looks okay. Passenger side as well, so it looks all good. And customer's just going to show us obviously where he's found the water so far. So yeah, whereabouts have you found the water so far, right, where it's coming in?
So it's installed in the footwell.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I went to my mother's the other day, and I was parked on a hill.
Okay.
And then I saw it all leaking there, and then I thought, I'm just hoping it's not petrol, so obviously smell it. Water.
Yeah.
So it found its way out. So I don't know how wet it is underneath, but when you pull the carpet out, you just press on it, and there's loads of water there.
I'll get you.
And also just behind there. So
where it's just obviously
rolled
back.
one side. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Any visual signs of it coming in at all? Like, have you seen any water drops?
Actually, I don't know, because I was thinking maybe it's coming from the roof. But I've seen the video with I think it's Gary. Under there, there's a thing. There's some sort of
like a welded seam
or whatever. Yeah. And then it goes down the A-pillar here. So that's the issue. I guess we'll find out.
Possible. So that's not a problem. Okay, we've got a Citroën DS3 in today, 2013. So we're just going to show you obviously what the problem is. So what we've done is we've put our little twisty camera up underneath here on the headlining, and basically what we're going to do is if we pour some water just in this little section here where it runs off for the sunroof or the cabriolet roof, so obviously it filters down here. But if we then go down onto the camera, so we can see that it's leaking from the welded seam. So and then what that's doing is it's working its way down the A-pillar, and then it's filling up the driver's footwell. So there we go. So a bit of a tricky one, but because we've done one of these before, we kind of know where we're looking. So there we go. So there's obviously the water, and then what that would then do is it would follow it down on the A-pillar, and then it would then go behind the dashboard, and then it would then come out down the bottom here, and the result of that, so we can see how much water is under there. There's probably water under here as well. Yep, loads of water. So obviously we've got a cable running here as well. Obviously because this one has obviously been parked with the nose up, it has worked its way into the back footwell as well. So that's all we found on that one. So what we would advise doing is obviously popping this panel off, resealing the welds both sides on that one there. So there we go, that's that all sorted. End video on the Citroën. So it's time to obviously go out and test in the real environment weld. It's had a courtesy wash as well, so it's looking nice and shiny. If we come on the inside, so we've got everything built back up now. There's no signs of any water underneath the carpet, which is a good sign. Same as in the back as well. Everything's been built up. Gave it a bit of a courtesy vac just all the way through, so it's all ready to go now.